Welcome once more to the Sunny Slim Effect, and over here in the Sunny Slim Effect, teach you how to make money online. These are practical steps we take. We've tested it and we've tried it and see that it works, and that's why we are bringing it to you right live on YouTube for you to practice and make that money online. Now, today I want to stress out an important issue right now bothering me, and I've made that video formerly on my channel. If you check my channel, you will see what I said about starclicks. I made about 2 videos. The first video was an introductory part on how to make money with starclicks. Starclicks is an online advertising media company which allows you to make money by just clicking ads which advertisers have been able to place on their portal. For you as a publisher, when you sign up, you will be given daily tags which you click daily. About sometimes it comes with the free plan, it comes with 5 ads, 3 ads a day. Your job right there is just to go and click daily and make $0.01. That's the minimum payout per click for starclicks. You make it per day. Tomorrow you go again, you make it, you do your clicks, you do it daily. That's your task, and before you know, you've accumulated a lot of dollars which you will be able to withdraw to your PayPal, to your bank transfer, or some other means of withdrawal from starclicks. But I have been a living witness of starclicks. Starclicks have been reliable. I've withdrawn some money to my PayPal account and it was satisfactory despite the hiccup starclicks have with their payment method. Because if you check online, you will see some reviews from some YouTube channels which are posted by some reviewer. These YouTubers, they review pay-per-click sites, and you see that starclicks have been called out that it is not reliable, it is a scam. It is not a scam. I've been paid several times by starclicks. I mean, I've done videos on it. You can check my channel. You will see I made videos about starclicks getting paid, and you too can get paid. And that was last year I made those videos. And the other videos, my first videos, that's the introductory video about starclicks. That should be around maybe 2002 I made that video. So just go right now on my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like and hit the bell notification for more updates on how to make money and do things online. And make sure you check that video right now. You see everything about starclicks, how starclicks work. But this is just the first. I would say we are in April right now. This is just the first quarter of the year, though April is not yet over. But permit me to use the word first quarter of the year. Starclicks hasn't paid me. I've been looking for a way. I've been doing the daily task daily. Every morning I wake up, I click the ads which have been provided to me. Despite the fact that I laid a complaint about starclicks not enabling users to upgrade their account so that users can be able to click more ads. Starclicks has 3 membership plans: Silver, Gold, Platinum. Whichever plan you are able to sign up with, it gives you provision for you to click more ads and make more money for yourself. But over since last year, that has been stopped. Whenever you try to use your funds you make from your wallet to buy a plan, can't work. Even if you try to pay with your card, can't work. That is to tell you that starclicks itself as a company has disabled premium membership. So that brought me to contact the customer care and ask them if they would be able to allow me to upgrade my membership as a user on the platform. I'm very active on the platform. That's what I'm trying to say. They told me that no, they can't allow me. They can't allow anybody, not me, upgrade right now. They're not into all that right now. That all I should do is go daily and click the available ads that are being given to me. Some days I go, I see 3 ads from 3 different ads company. I click, I see 5. Sometimes on these I just click, and it's very simple to perform. It's not a task that will stress you. It's never going to stress you. Just do the click and you're surprised your money will be accumulating. So and maybe when you have your chance to withdraw, $50. Yeah, you go to the withdrawal section and place your PayPal account. Auto withdrawal, you must put it on auto withdrawal. That's one thing about starclicks. Set your account on auto withdrawal so that whenever you need whenever you want to withdraw it, auto withdraw to your account. But there's another stressful part about it. You need to meet up the required documents which are going to be requested from you, the tax, and there's one other document. Sorry, I've forgotten about the document, but that document is hard. But I have everything. I was able to provide the document last year, and I got paid about twice last year. But this year, I've never seen any auto withdrawal from starclicks. That is why I'm making this video. I don't know if anybody out there have been able to get any payment from starclicks. Let me know in the comment section below this video. Write your problem, write your issue about starclicks, because right now starclicks is the only online payment platform I trust. I don't know, I've seen so many videos on YouTube, I've seen so many junks, so many videos on even scams on mass. Families are not even encouraged to join from so much annoying pay-per-click online money making scheme on the internet. I wouldn't put my interest in that just because I want to make videos to make views. No, I don't do that. I rather educate my fans, whoever is watching this YouTube video, go through the right steps. Whenever you are trying to make money online, you should always be very careful with what you put your interest in, what you put your blood, sweat, and tears in on the internet, because you might end up wasting all your time not getting a dime from that site. So starclicks is one site I recommend, but I don't know if anybody, I'm asking the question out there, if anybody have been paid this year. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Everyone that have this enthusiasm to make money online, everyone that has ever done starclicks, pay-per-click, everybody out there, let me know in the comment section below, and let's relate more on starclicks. And maybe if you have any other legit site just like starclicks, if you have a site, let me know in the comment section below. And also, let's all form this as a community on exposing ourselves, educating ourselves, enlightening ourselves on if there's anything we want to learn on the internet. You should always post it in the comment section below, and I'll do a research about it, and I will come out with my own version of what I feel about it. Not something I will just go and start looking at what is trending and I'll make a video about it, even though what is trending might not be suitable, might not be legit. I don't do that. So everyone out there, thank you for being part of this YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time making a video, but I'm very busy on some other faceless channel, because YouTube is the key. Focus right now at my passion on faceless channel right now. So, but I'm still here on the Sunny Slim Effect. No, I'm here with you. Whatever video you see, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. For whoever have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. Until then, see you on the next one. Thank you very much.